Where has the summer gone, the sunlight in my eyes, dancing in the shadows upon the sand? Where has the warm nights gone, wrapped in your arms, protecting me from the storms in my mind? Where has the love gone in my heart and in your eyes? It disappeared in the clouds as August came to an end. Now it's September rain and cold lonely days, tears that fall like raindrops in the night. It's cold lying in an empty bed, so where has the summer gone, as my spirit wanders alone, looking for the answers to all the questions above. Until then I sleep amongst the dark clouds, and maybe, just maybe, the sun will find me again, and love will open up my soul.